we learned about the Salesforce careers, Salesforce job opportunities, Salesforce certifications. Now, time to explore more. How can we learn? How can we blaze our trail with Trailhead? And how can our future proceed? How can our students and someone who is looking for a start their career can get a better opportunity in our ecosystem? So now we have Suhangi, Salesforce student ambassador from Salesforce Developer Group Merit, and she is students of Merit Institute of Technology. So Suhangi, welcome and thank you very much, and thank you very much for joining on your birthday. It's your birthday also, so happy birthday once again. And yeah, I would like to invite you. Please share your screen and let's talk more about the explore, Trailhead, and get placed in the Salesforce ecosystem. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for inviting me. And once again, happy birthday to you again.
Thank you.
Okay, so let us begin. Guys, can you able to see my screen?
Yes, you can see the screen. Please disable the annotation from more option.
Yes, sir. I
See,
am checking that. Someone has already started.
no worry. On the wow. Please stop again. Please stop so that it will be clear.
Yeah.
Wishing a happy birthday.
Thank you for wishing me. But okay, just let me stop sharing and I'll share my screen again.
Yes. And while sharing, please disable the annotation.
Yes, sir. Yeah, okay, it is disabled. I need to allow them to annotate.
Awesome. Thank you.
Okay, so guys, hello everyone. Welcome to this session. My name is Shubhangi Gupta and I'm currently studying my BTech from Merit Institute of Engineering and Technology. I have been studying Salesforce from almost past 2 years. In 2018, I attended India Dreamin, and that event was a life changer for me. I met there Amanda ma'am, Kavinder Patel sir, and many of the Trailblazer members. The everyone, the way everyone meets each other, the way everyone motivates each other to learn more, to grow, is the reason I started learning Salesforce, and I very much enjoy it. The ohana we have, the love we have for our community, is the basic reason which make me more motivated to learn Salesforce and to grow more. Okay, recently I have done my Salesforce admin certification, and now I have been announced as Salesforce Student Group Ambassador from Merit Institute of Engineering and Technology. That's about my introduction and my journey. So let us begin. Uh, Today I'm going to talk about Trailhead. What is Trailhead? How can you learn from Trailhead? What actually makes Trailhead so special? How you guys can go and learn, earn over there? What are the tricks? How you guys can get a job in Salesforce ecosystem? So let us begin. Okay, while we come to about talking Trailhead, it's a point what basically Trailhead is. Here I'm having a quick video, so guys, let's watch it up.
Hey Trailblazers, I'm Leah McGowan Hare, and I'm thrilled to welcome you to Trailhead. What's Trailhead? Great question. Let's start with the basics. Trailhead is the fun and free way to learn in-demand skills that lead to top jobs. Tech skills, business skills, Salesforce skills, and the soft skills companies are hiring for. It's all here. Who's Trailhead for? Everyone. For total beginners to tech-savvy professionals, students to career changers, for anyone looking to learn valuable new skills for free, Trailhead can help transform your career. And when we say Trailhead is fun, we mean fun. We know you're all busy, so we broke the learning into bite-sized modules so that you can learn at your pace in your own space. As you learn, you earn points and badges by completing fun quizzes and hands-on challenges. We give you a free Salesforce environment where you can test your skills, It's called the Trailhead Playground. You might also notice some characters on the trail. Don't worry, they're part of the fun too. So far, so good? Then read on to learn even more about Trailhead, and I'll see you in the next section.
Okay, well, this is a brief and concise video about the introduction of Trailhead. Uh, so I guess many of you must have got what basically Trailhead is. Trailhead is the fun way to learn Salesforce. For whom the Trailhead is for everyone. Anyone can join our Trailhead and start learning. Here you can go and start learn all the all-demand skills. You guys can earn resume-worthy credentials. You all have an opportunity to connect. You can go and sign up to the mentorship for the employment to Trailblazer community. What we can get on Trailhead is learn, earn, and connect. Okay, when we talk about Trailhead completely, what do Trailhead actually has? It has more than 800 plus learning modules. All the content has been added and updated every week. Oh my God, can you imagine? There is a platform on which the content is updated every week. It's a completely gamified fun learning experience. How it is gamified? There is something fun we have. For every module you complete, you guys earn points and badges. Oh my God, there is something you guys are learning and you guys are being awarded for that. This is something very interesting. We have hands-on experience. And now what I meant by hands-on experience are the real technological experiences about the Salesforce. Okay, so we got to know a lot about Trailhead. Now let us see what actually makes Trailhead special. The modules, the projects, the trail mix. Trailhead is a complete platform that is perfect for learning Salesforce. You will have trail mixes over there. Now, what actually trail mixes are? Trail mixes are custom learning path of trails. Trail mixes is you can consider trail mix as a complete book which is customized according to the role or according to the product that you want to learn. When it comes to the modules are the small chapters of that particular book. And while it comes to projects, oh yes, on Trailhead, you guys can go and make your hand dirty, make your projects by step instructions. You guys get familiar with the Salesforce technology, Salesforce tools. Yeah, what now? The question arises: how are we going to have hands-on experiences? For this, the Trailhead provides us an amazing Trailhead playground. Trailhead Playground is basically a free Salesforce development environment on which you guys can use and test Salesforce tools. What Trailhead promotes is you learn by doing. You are not going to just read and have theoretical knowledge and be the expert. To learn more, you guys need to do more. To do more, you guys can have your hands-on experiences. You guys can validate your skills. Earning your points, you will only earn the points if you had completed the challenges correctly. There is one more thing which we have on Trailhead. It's amazing, and that's super badges. You guys can have super badges. The super badges are the real life project scenarios that are given to you. Okay, I told you about the achievements that you guys are going to get. It's completely your points and the badges. The what Trailhead provides is an amazing reinvented resume. Now, what reinvented resume is, Trailhead provides you your customized profile URL on which you are going to have number of badges, number of points, number of Trailheads you have completed, the certification you had, the skills you had learned on Trailhead, the Trailblazer community connection. It is itself your personal resume. Let's go and check out some of the tips and tricks for the Trailhead. Okay, now there is a condition arises that you want to learn, but you guys are confused. We have so many badges on Trailhead. What should you learn? How you are going to search? What should be your preference? And for that, you have search criteria, you have filters, you have tags, you have search. You can go and add on filter by your role. If you are an admin, you can just go and select any the modules for the admin. You can also select your level over there. all the modules will be available as a beginner admin or as a beginner developer, whatever role or whatever product you want to learn. The amazing thing that you can have on Trailhead, suppose you had done a module but you had not completed it and you need to check which module did you did, then how you're going to do it. So here we are having an option by adding them to your favorites. You guys can add your trails and modules to your favorites, and you can go and check out them, how many of you have completed, how much is the progress, and it's amazing. You guys are going to have your customized learning by trail mixes. You will have your trails, modules, super badges, and most important thing we have, you can just public your profile. If your profile is public, you can share your profile to anyone. Okay, so here is something more we are having. It is Trailhead Live. Now what Trailhead Live is, you can go and learn from the experts on the Trailhead. Trailhead Go and Trailhead Live are the reinvented classroom experiences. They are going to be the experts from the Salesforce, and they will be there to teach you about Salesforce. Now, Trailhead Go is the app which is currently available on the iOS version only. Very soon, its Android version will be released, and we guys can learn from Trailhead through our phones too. Isn't that amazing, guys? Now, what's most important that I feel, it is connection, connecting to the Trailblazer community. But I have learned so far, a true Trailblazer is the one who learns, who connects, and gives back to the community. If you're just learning, you will not be one of the Trailblazer. Trailblazer community, the Salesforce is basically what we guys are together, learning and sharing to each other. Okay, as I told you all about the trailblazer.me, that is your customized profile. You guys are having there a single profile that will tell everyone about your Trailhead, about your Trailblazer community, about your app exchange. It will give us skill graph representation. It is a custom URL that you are guys going to have. And there is something more. Oh my God, Trailhead is a lot. You guys can go and have a trail tracker over that. You guys can check how many badges you have completed. So can you see how amazing is it? You are having a platform that is giving you prizes. You are having a platform on which the experts are available. The platform is also available on the phone. You guys will be awarded by by your ranks, by your points. Guys are going to add all of the skills in your resume. You are having your custom URL, public resume. Wow. The best part here we have the badges and the points you earn. The badges and the points are not the only things that Trailhead gives you. The badges and points you earn made you up to a particular rank. If you are with a 0 badge and a 0 point, you will be called as a scout. Then 1 badge, 200 points hiker. And furthermore, respectively, you guys are going to have more badges, more points, and a more better rank. Currently, we are having the highest rank on the Trailhead as Ranger. So go ahead, guys, sign up on the Trailhead, start learning as soon as you can, and just have a beautiful Ranger cap on your profile. But remember, make sure you do not run behind the badges or the points. It's important what you guys have. If you are having 50 badges on your profile, then you guys must also be clear about the 50 badges knowledge. Your knowledge must define your badges. Okay, so let's get started and have a quick demo. It is here completely. We are having trailhead.salesforce.com. It's a simple URL and you guys can go and check out. All what you need to do is just sign up on this amazing platform to learn. Here we are having learn. It's simple. It's so simple. You just guys can go learn and check out all the trails, trail mixes, Trailhead Academy, career paths. You can choose what type of career you want. As earlier Rashri mentioned, there are numerous careers in Salesforce. You guys can go check for projects, modules, and Trailhead Live or the Watch Live on-demand videos. And this is something here we are having all the super badges and the certifications. Okay, you guys can learn. for the certification Trailhead as well. Isn't that amazing? Here we are having community. Don't forget, our community, our Ohana is always with us. Okay, guys, there is something we are having is quest. Do not forget about the Trailhead quest. Trailheads motivates you in numerous way to learn. You guys can go and check out all the quests that are currently happening. All what you need to do is just participate in any of the quests, just complete what they want, and if you are one of the lucky winner, you can win a prize or maybe a certification voucher as well. Yeah, for here for companies, they are having My Trailhead, customer stories, Trail Tracker, how you guys can learn, how you guys can go ahead and go proceed further. And for your profile, here is your profile. Here is your complete resume, what you have learned on Trailhead, how you guys have been learning, what is your skills. I guess it's not been loading. Okay, no issue. It's just so simple. You guys, oh, here it is. You can just know about, and the best part I have, you can have a custom description about you too. You can also customize your profile link. Wow. It's so amazing having a platform like this. Okay, so let's go back quickly to our presentation. Here we have, it's so good that you can have such a platform to learn something amazing. Okay, I guess all the newcomers are ready and they guys can go and check it out on trailhead.com and they can go further for get started with Trailhead, Trail Mix. Okay, now here comes the amazing part. Getting placed in Salesforce ecosystem. Okay, this is something new. If you want to get placed in Salesforce ecosystem, the first point comes, why should I choose Salesforce? Okay, guys, can you just check it out? It is going to have 3.3 million jobs in 2022. Oh my God, there are going to be so many jobs in the Salesforce ecosystem. The GDP is constantly increasing. We are having so great social impact. It is going to be an amazing boom in our career future. What you guys need to do to get a job in Salesforce? Actually, it's all completely you have on Trailhead. What do you need? Just learn, just earn, and just connect. Learning, earning, and connect. These are the three basic simple steps that you need to go for to get a job in Salesforce ecosystem. To learn, you have your Trailhead, you have other platforms as well. You have YouTube, you can go and learn through the YouTube as well. But through YouTube, you can only get your theoretical knowledge. Through hands-on, you have your Trailhead, you can complete your projects. Earning is completely done by learning on Trailhead. Now the point comes to connect. Where should we guys you go and connect to others? Here we having three amazing platforms. It's your Trailblazer community, Trailblazer community groups. You guys can go and check it out on hashtag Trailblazer community on Twitter or LinkedIn. LinkedIn.com. It's an amazing platform on which you guys can go and get connected to the HRs, to the other members who are currently working in any of the Salesforce ecosystem or in the companies, different companies. It's so great. And the Twitter, oh my God, how can anyone forget about the Twitter? Our Salesforce community is very much active on Twitter. Anyone can get to know about the job openings or about the events that are being happening in all across the world. The best thing I know is to showcase yourself. If you learned it, you just got it, and you need to show it to everyone. If you have something, then why should you keep it to yourself? If you had done something, you know something, just take it as screenshot or just upload a video on LinkedIn and Twitter and let the world know, yes, here you are some person who know this technology. Now getting a job in Salesforce ecosystem is completely means you can get job in three different places. That is the Salesforce company itself, the Salesforce partners, and the Salesforce customers we have. There are more than 100 companies, I guess, who currently offers job in Salesforce ecosystem. If you guys want anyone to show you all of them, it's not possible. You have Google, you have Deloitte, you have TCS, you have Domino's, you have Zomato, you have Paytm. Oh my God, the list is a lot big. Some of them are here too. Okay, now what actually we require to getting a job in Salesforce? Salesforce hands-on experiences. It's a lot important. Just having badges on Trailhead or just having your points is not very much enough. You must know about the hands-on experiences. You must be familiar with about tools, with about the projects that you can make, with about the complete tools, about the development, about the process that is behind going on the Salesforce. The resume. Everyone anyone can judge you on the basis of your resume. So make sure your resume highlights what you actually have. You are already getting a personalized resume on trailblazer.me, but apart from that, your resume must have something that make others attracted towards you. Projects. Okay, you have learned a lot, you know a lot, but it's important for you to implement your projects. It's important to implement your knowledge. It's important for you to have a test of yourself by checking, is it right what you have learned? And last but not the least is your speaking skills. If you are sitting in front of a HR or in the front of the interviewer, you are going to speak. Your speaking skills must be clear. It should be clear to the interviewer that yes, whatever is written in this resume, the person justifies this, and it can be only done with your speaking skills. So make sure you guys can work on that. Just learn. Make sure you earn on Trailhead. You just have the correct knowledge. Implement your skills. Make projects. Try to improve your speaking skills and yourself. Now, our Trailblazer community is an amazing place. Something you guys can get a job through community as well. There are community initiatives we have. There were some local events as well that happened in 2019. We had Trailhead DX, we had Dev Weekend. They both of them were meetup events where career fairs were organized. Due to COVID pandemic, this year such not events have been organized till now. Maybe they are going to be virtual, and let's see what happens. But still, you guys are having Salesforce Job Ready program and Journey to Salesforce. Salesforce Job Ready program is basically for the program for students. What you need to do, just go on Trailhead and search Salesforce Job Ready program. Register in the Salesforce Job Ready, start learning all over the trail mix, have and get a perfect uh, skills, earn from the Trailhead, and yes, here you are. You will be ready. Journey to Salesforce is a special program that has been organized for the persons who are currently not working in our ecosystem. Suppose if someone is working in other ecosystem and want to switch their career in Salesforce, here you guys are. Journey to Salesforce we have. And you know the basic thing, all of them is free. Salesforce Job Ready program is free. It's a complete online event. Journey to Salesforce. And oh my God, I think I had forget to mention you. Trailhead, it's a free online platform, guys. Here are some of the pics that we have. See, as there was career fair in 2019 in Trailhead DX, Day Weekend, and there are going to be some amazing things. At last, I would just want to say thank you everyone for being such an amazing audience. Thank you so much, Om sir, for inviting me, for making me speak over here. And I think this is the one of the best way a trailblazer can celebrate its birthday. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much, Swangi, for giving all the details. How can someone start learning with Trailhead? How can you explore projects, modules, and lots of things. Thank you very much. And I am sure it is one of our best birthday today. So,
Yes.
and earlier, I was talking about the maximum RSVP in this meetup, like 509 plus. And now I can see you have broken the maximum attendee of our Heidelberg group. We have 257 plus and currently 250. Thank you, each and everyone. And I'm sure you are learning lots of things, and feel free to take screenshots and here the hashtags in chat window. Thanks to our speakers. And already Swami explained you why we are too curious for Twitter and social media, because just we believe in sharing with each other. And I am talking to 50 plus. So many of you thinking you are waiting and someone is going to admit. So thank you very much to Anil, Saket, and Harshit. They all are helping us from back and silently. They are going to check your name, give your valid name, then they are going to allow admit. Because in virtual world, sometimes some unknown and some system generated name came. So thank you, Harshit. Thank you, Anil. Thank you very much, Saket, for your helping hands. And we're always looking for some helping hands to help organize our meetup together. Thank you.